Welcome everybody to our show. This is Custom Fab Garage on our channel Octane TV on YouTube. Make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and on top of that, make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you can get all the new content that comes out weekly and even every day.
Yep, we got this going really well. We got the hinges in there, got it to go from the side, and boom, we got it in there. I even got it on the first try, which is not usually something I get done on the first try. So awesome that this is working, man, because he wanted it to go like the factory. So we finally got it to where everything works like it's supposed to. Now we're gonna make a box for inside here that is going to fit down in here. So that way it'll cover up this stuff and it'll sit down in here and cover up all the wood inside. And that way he can just, if you ever need to take it out, he can take that out. We got these bottom pieces in here to be able to fill all the parts where it's lumpy on the transmission tunnel and it doesn't fit correctly. So we're getting all these put on, that way it covers up. There's just a lot of gaps where the transmission tunnel is a little uneven and things like that. All right, so on this side we've got screw here, screw here, screw here, and screw here. These were the original two that went to, through here. 1.25 inches on these four, and then the same way on these side we have one here and then one here. So there's only two on this side holding it up, which is pretty secure. But since this side has the hinges, I put 2 extra just in case when you're pulling these hinges, it's not gonna rip this out on each side.